Hi, this is quite an important juncture in my little steam trajectory here, because for the first time I'm going to be trying out this Indian pressurised kerosene stove under the boiler to see if it will raise steam sufficiently to power an engine, and for that I'm using this new little Oscillator which I've recently finished and which is my first ever engine. So if it's a success and if the engine will run on this, which I'm hopeful that it will, then I'll go ahead and customise this stove, take that square frame off, make some nice stand for it and so on, and use it in the future. If it happens not to raise steam, I'll leave it the way it is and just use it as an outdoor cooking stove. And there's Taz the cat looking nonchalantly on, wondering whether it's going to be a success or not. So I'm going to get it going in a minute. By the way, Taz the cat, as I said, is watching, but merely out of idle curiosity. He doesn't care whether this works or not. I've lit the alcohol in the spirit cup, which is heating the vaporising tubes of the burner, and once that's really got up to temperature, I'll start to pump kerosene in, and hopefully we'll have a flame that will raise steam. There is a beauty about this that cannot be denied. The sight of these alcohol flames, Taz the cat has decided that his interest is less than he thought it was. We now have liftoff of the kerosene burner, vaporising kerosene burning very hot. So all we do now is wait, apart from give the occasional pump of the pressurising pump. It's just like a Primus stove, this. So, let's see. Well, the needle's not off the peg yet, but the boiler's starting to get hot to the touch. It's a nice warm spring day with no wind at all, and none of that does any harm when it comes to, keeping that flame focused under the boiler. Looking good. We have lift off on the pressure gauge now, so it should start to climb quite quickly from this point on. I might give it a little bit of steam blower in a minute just to help it on its way. This is another day, because just as I was about to run the engine last time, there was a mishap with the cylinder, and I'm not going to go into the details of that here because that's not what this video is about. That saga is chronicled elsewhere on my channel, or will be. But anyway, suffice to say, I've made a new cylinder for the engine now, so I'm hoping that it's going to do. So I moved it over into beside the workshop wall there because it's a little bit breezy tonight, but well, let's see how we go. Done like a little train. I like this better than gas. You can keep it constant just by doing the plunger. The kerosene pressure stove running an engine. Good moment.